Hello folks and welcome. Here I have another Parkside product, this cordless soldering iron. It's battery operated. The batteries are included in the package. It can heat up to 450 degrees. There's some tin inside the package, and of course there's a cap for the soldering tip. As all Parkside products, it comes with 3 years of warranty. So let's open the package and see what we have inside. Like I said, we have some tin. This is the cap for the soldering tip. Of course, we have a manual. Quite big manual. We have this stand for the soldering iron. Something like this. In front we have LED lamp. On the back side we have the battery compartment, quite easy to open. The tool is powered by 3 size AA alkaline batteries. They're included in the package. Now, to power up the soldering iron, you have to push this red switch to on position and then press and hold down this green button like this. When the LED lamp is working, the soldering tip is also heating. It's quite hot already. The protective cap is quite ingenious. When you place it on the device, it automatically pushes the red switch backwards, and this way it protects you from unintentionally powering up the soldering iron. Now let's do some tests. Let's open this thin wire. And now let's try to unsolder some wires over here. Definitely it's not the fastest working soldering iron. What to say, I'm quite disappointed over here. Now let's do some other tests. Let's put some tin. What to say, guys? I'm really disappointed from this soldering iron. The soldering tip is getting caught quite easily, even when trying to put some tin on this wire. As you can see, there is not enough heating power to heat up the wire and melt the tin over it. I am really disappointed from this Parkside tool, and if you ask me, it's a big no to buy it. Yeah, it's quite hot. Let me do another test, another try. No, it's a big no for this Parkside soldering iron. Just don't buy it, it's not working. Now, just for some comparison, I will do the same soldering test with this Parkside gas operated soldering iron. And I believe you can see the difference. Big no for this Parkside cordless soldering iron.